Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and connecting a reliable wired keyboard. This reduces missed key presses. Once done, power on and immediately press the motherboard's BIOS key, commonly Del or F2, watching the post screen to confirm. If the board boots too fast, make sure to reboot once more and hold the BIOS key during the second startup so the firmware registers it. This gets you into the BIOS setup utility, where language options live and prevents accidental entry failures. Once inside, navigate through System, Advanced, or a General or Preferences tab. UEFI often exposes language under those headings. You'll use arrow keys in legacy BIOS or a mouse in modern UEFI. Find entries labeled Language, Locale, or UI Language and open that field. If the menu is minimal, toggle from Easy to Advanced mode to reveal additional options. This often unlocks the language selector. Make sure to pause and read menu hints. Firmware wording varies between vendors. Select the desired language from the list and apply the change. After selecting, choose Save and Exit or press F10 to commit settings. Then let the system reboot and re-enter the BIOS to verify the firmware UI displays the new language. If the language is still unreadable or the menu fails to save, make sure to clear CMOS as a last resort. Use the motherboard jumper or remove the coin cell for a minute, because that resets corrupted settings and restores default access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.